Only a very, very quick one, but here's Greyfriars Kirk here in Edinburgh. Some of you will remember this. Famous one from Ghost Adventures back in the day. But what a graveyard. If you're ever in Edinburgh, this is a place to come and have a little look at. Just check out some of these. I think there's 1,200 people buried here from what I was just reading, which are probably mass graves not marked. The original 1645, top of my head, plague victims are also buried here. And we've got a lot of the East India Company, all sorts of bits here. It's incredible just to come and experience it. So I know you can get tours of this place as well. As you can see, there's one going on in the background. But I've been here about 4 or 5 years ago, so I know a bit of the history. And of course, it's home to Bobby as well, Greyfriars Bobby, which is one loyal dog who lived till he was 16. And actually went back to his owner's grave. I think the owner was called John off the top of my head. Every day, a bit like the Hatchie sort of vibe. That's exactly what he did. Come and check this out. Sorry, it's just put you in between the bars. As some of you might see, I am filming on my phone at the moment because this is a bit of a holiday for me. This isn't a working one. This is just a nice little escape and a shutdown. There she is, look. There's my Megs. And then there's some great pubs around here also. Around that little orange fencing, that's actually Bobby's little grave there that you can see that I'll take you down to. It's a very, very famous place to come and explore here in Edinburgh. I'll take you down to see Bobby. I love the buildings around here as well though. It's incredible. You've got the lovely church, you've got a cathedral in the background, and of course a stone's throw away is Edinburgh Castle. I'll walk you to see Bobby.